So today we are unboxing the Rode NT USB, and this was bought from Amazon for £115. This is my old mic, which is a lapel mic, which was £5, so it's a bit of an upgrade for me. Now let's get the case open. So first appearances, it looks very stylish, very high quality. So, okay, well padded. Okay, let's have a look. Stand looks of a good quality. It's plastic, but it looks high quality. So let's put that to the side. Let's open this. Okay. So inside we've got a USB cable for the mic, and it looks like it's a fairly decent length as well. So yeah, it's always good, handy, decent quality as well. Oh, we've got this lovely leather pouch, a Rode leather pouch, looks like a pencil case. Let's open this, see what's inside. Okay, so we've got the actual manual, which looks like, yeah, it's different languages, so I probably won't read that, but maybe in the future I might. And a lovely sticker that says I love Rode microphones. Put them to the side. Let's actually get the microphone out now. So, okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is nice. It's decent weight as well. So I don't know if you can see that. Let's get a good shot. Just move it 360 so you can get a good view of it. There we go. And we'll get, there we go. There we go. And that's it really, that's all's in there. So this purchase was made due to well, having a lapel mic, and I actually do online streaming, so I was looking for something that was a bit of an upgrade, and hopefully this will work well for me. Okay, thanks for watching.